So, we're on the hunt for this rare bird that I haven't been able to take a picture of. It has a long neck, it's black. Oh, look at these. Look at these fine specimens. They're like the things that you find on the edge of ponds. They're really cool. Well, at least I think they're cool. Anyways, we're on the hunt. So, we're just gonna look and see. You see that dot all the way over there? That's a mother duck. Her babies are there. Let's see if we can catch up to them. Let's run. The pond's on low tide right now. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay. I'm gonna put the zoom feature, see if I can catch it flying. This is as much zoom as it's gonna get. Trying to make it fly. He's not budging. He has a really long neck. And oh. Okay. So when he flies, he extends out his neck, and he looks like this giant airplane. Trying to make him fly. He's not moving. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make him fly, so let's go to the mother duckling. We're gonna keep an eye on him though. Keep an eye on you. Okay. We'll check back later and see if I can get a good. Oh, there's mother duck. She's going to the other side now. There used to be a lot of ducks here, and I think they all either flew away or they went into their nests. Okay, we're gonna stop the recording because I'm not gonna get him to fly or from mother duck. Oh wait, mother duck's coming. There's someone. Hey, I think that's where all the ducks meet. Okay, there's mother duck, and she's coming to where the ducks meet. I'm gonna see if I can make it to where all the ducks are. They might be in these reeds though. Oh, hey, we have something. They all went in here. Now they're all going to that tree right there. I guess they like fly in a group or a flock or something, you know? There's one of the big birds. He doesn't look so big because of the camera, but you know. Oh, there's where all the ducks went. They're in that little corner. Let's see if we can get to them before all of them leave. There they are. Rocks, so many rocks. If I fall, this could be fatal. Oh, we missed them. We were so close though. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. I don't think I can attract their attention. I think we might have to go to them. It's the pond. Oh, it looks so murky and green. There's a big guy. Okay, we're gonna stop the recording. Well, maybe not. Oh, hey, look at that big guy. Yeah. Okay, it looks like they're going to the other side of the pond. We're gonna go over there. Check out video 2.